Hey there, beautiful souls. Want to lose weight fast and naturally? Well, let me tell you, it all starts in the kitchen. We're gonna nourish our bodies with good, wholesome food that loves us right back. Because when you feel good on the inside, it shows on the outside. I'm talking about feeling lighter, brighter, and full of energy. And you know what? It doesn't have to be hard. We're gonna keep it simple, delicious, and easy to make. Get ready to whip up some magic, because today I'm sharing 5 quick and powerful recipes to help you burn fat and feel amazing. All natural and easy to make. Let's get started, y'all. First up, we're gonna start our day with a little sunshine in a glass. This lemon ginger detox water is so refreshing, and it's gonna help us fight that pesky bloating, boost our metabolism, and stay hydrated all day long. Just grab a big old pitcher of water, slice up some lemons, and grate in some fresh ginger. Give it a good stir, let it sit for a bit to let those flavors marry, and sip on it throughout the day. Your body's gonna thank you for this one. Now let's get our greens on with this energizing green juice. We're talking kale, which is like a superhero for your body, a crisp green apple for sweetness, some cool cucumber, and a squeeze of lemon. This combination is going to give you a fiber-rich, nutrient-packed juice that'll have you feeling like you can conquer the world. Just blend it all up and enjoy a glass of energy. You got this. Now, for those moments when you need a little something warm and comforting, let me introduce you to my hibiscus cinnamon tea. This beautiful tea is not only delicious, but it also helps reduce water retention and control those pesky cravings. Just steep some dried hibiscus flowers and a cinnamon stick in hot water. Let it infuse for a few minutes and enjoy it warm, preferably between meals. It's like a warm hug from the inside out. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and this egg white omelet with spinach is gonna fuel you up right. We're talking protein-packed egg whites and nutrient-rich spinach. Just whisk those egg whites, sauté some spinach with a little garlic if you like, and cook it all up in a pan. You can add other veggies too if you're feeling adventurous. This is a breakfast that loves you back. And last but not least, we've got my go-to banana oat shake. This creamy, dreamy shake is going to keep you feeling full and satisfied, provide long-lasting energy, and help curb that emotional hunger that can sometimes creep in. Just blend together a ripe banana, some rolled oats, your favorite milk. I like almond milk and a dash of cinnamon. It's so good, and it's good for you. Remember, these recipes work best when paired with a healthy lifestyle. Get that body moving, drink plenty of water, and listen to your body. It knows what it needs. When you nourish your body with good food and good vibes, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. You are powerful, you are beautiful, and you are capable of anything you set your mind to. Enjoyed the tips? Subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share this with someone who needs it. And remember, keep shining your light, beautiful souls.